Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to open a ZIP or RAR file using WMaster ZipKing on Windows computer easily in 2025. Go to your browser and visit zipking.wmaster.com, link below in the description. WMaster ZipKing, one-stop file compression expert, zip and unzip files up to 78.4% high compression ratio. All-in-one compression, decompression solution to simplify your digital life. File compressor, file extractor, image compressor, PDF compressor, video compressor, audio compressor. Unlock amazing high compression ratio by ZipKing. Ultimate compression solution for all your files. Discover ZipKing more features you will love. File management, passport photo resizer, annotation, full custom compression, right-click mouse menu, drag-and-drop operation, fix encoding error, self-extracting archive. Support over 61 kinds of file decompression formats. ZipKing supports opening all major file formats including ZIP, 7Z, TAR, RAR, JR, and more. What makes ZipKing file compressor your first choice? Highest compression ratio, supreme cost-effectiveness, simple yet powerful interface. How to zip files/unzip files with WMaster ZipKing. It's very simple, we will see on the video. You can use ZipKing software a low configuration computer. See the pricing. See it completely free right now. Click Get It Free. After download, double-click to install software. Allow the permission. Click Install Now. See ZipKing install successfully. How to open a ZIP or RAR file. See, I have a ZIP file on my desktop. How to open this? To open this file, right-click on mouse. Choose Extract, then use WMaster ZipKing Open. Double-click the file. You can see the file without unzip. Now click Extract icon to extract file. Choose your storage location. Click Extract now. See file extracted successfully. How to make a zip file. See, I have a folder on my desktop. How to zip the file. Select the file and right-click on mouse. Choose Compress, then Add to compressed file. Choose your storage location. Choose your options. I click Custom. Select your zip format. Select the settings. I select Default Settings. You can set a password from here. Click Compress now. See file compressed successfully. Many more features are available in ZipKing. You can try it now. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.